Are you tired of working hard every day and still not having enough for the basics at the end of the month? Today I'm showing you 12 small machines that are helping thousands of people earn from $3,000 to over $10,000 a month, all from home. No bosses, no set hours, no experience needed, no stress. I'll tell you exactly how much each machine costs, how much money you can make per minute, and how much you could be earning from the very first month if you take action now. Stick around until the end, because number one is so impressive that people pay up to $2,000 for just a couple of hours of work. If you are ready to change your financial situation, turn up the volume and stay tuned. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual effort, skills, and market conditions. Number 12, cell phone case customization machine. Can you imagine earning between $600 and $3,000 a month working from your living room with a machine that fits on a nightstand? Thousands of people love this machine because it is easy to start today. The cell phone case customization machine lets you take plain cases and make them unique with any design you want. You buy blank cases, put them in the machine, pick a design from your phone or computer, and in less than 2 minutes you have a finished case ready to sell. Each case can sell for $12 to $25, which means your profit is between $10 and $30 per case. Making just 10 cases a day gives you $100 to $300 a week, working only a few hours at home. The machine is very small, uses almost no electricity, and you can find one for $350 to $900 depending on the model. People sell these cases on Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, weekend markets, or even outside schools. The best part is that customers keep coming back because they always want new cases. It is literally printing money from home with something everyone needs. If this sounds interesting, stick around because number 11 is even more exciting. Number 11, soft serve ice cream maker. Imagine customers lining up outside your house or a small shop for creamy ice cream that everyone loves. This ice cream maker is about the size of a large microwave and works almost by itself. You pour in the liquid mix, press a button, and out comes perfect soft serve ice cream. Entry-level machines cost around $900, while faster versions go up to $2,000 or $3,500. Each cone costs you between 30 cents and 50 cents in ingredients, and you can sell it for $1 to $2, giving you a profit of 50 cents to $1.50 per cone. If you sell just 80 cones a day during the week, your monthly profit is $3,600 to $8,400, and this number can go higher on weekends or holidays. Soft serve ice cream is addictive, and people come back daily, bringing friends and family. Many entrepreneurs started with a single machine in their garage and now run several locations. The business practically sells itself because everyone loves ice cream. If you are tempted by this idea, keep watching because number 10 is a service people need urgently every day. Number 10, modern key duplicating machine. This machine is one of the most practical and profitable you can find. The machine copies house keys, car keys, and even chip or remote-controlled keys that traditional locksmiths cannot make. It is compact, fits on a small table, and works in seconds. You insert the key, press a button, and get a perfect copy. Basic models start at $1,200, while more complete versions go up to $3,500 or $5,000. A regular house key costs less than $15, and you can charge between $8 and $15 per copy. A car key with a chip costs between $4 and $12, and you can charge $40 to $80. Duplicating just 5 keys a day earns around $4,000 a month, which anyone can do at home or in a small shop. People need keys urgently, so it is always in demand. Many entrepreneurs started small and now have multiple machines and employees. If this idea already seems doable, stick around because number 9 turns something everyone eats into fresh cash every day. Number 9, banana chip making machine. You can turn ripe bananas that cost very little into crunchy, addictive snacks that people buy again and again. This machine is fun to use and very profitable. It is perfect for plantains or bananas, the kind you see in supermarkets, and it fits in a regular kitchen. Using it is simple. You peel the plantains, slice them thin with the machine, fry them quickly, and season them with salt, chili, or your favorite flavor to make them irresistible. Basic machines start at $500, and if your sales grow, you can upgrade to faster versions that cost $2,000 or $4,000. 1 kilogram of plantains costs between 20 cents and 50 cents, and you can sell packages for $1.50 to $4, which gives a profit of $1.50 to $3.50 per package after oil and packaging. Producing and selling just 50 packages a day gives you $2,250 to $5,250 a month, working from home or selling at local markets. On weekends, sales can grow easily. Banana chips are popular as a healthy snack for offices, parties, schools, or just daily snacking. Customers come back for more once they try yours. Many people started with a small machine in their kitchen and now supply stores and large events. If this idea already makes you hungry for success, stick around, because number 8 is a small machine that turns coconuts into multiple income streams. Number 8, coconut grater. Some people are earning up to $7,000 a month just by grating fresh coconut from their backyard. The coconut grater looks simple but is a money-making machine. You insert a whole or halved coconut, and the machine grates it perfectly, giving you fresh pulp ready to sell as is or process into coconut oil, milk, sweets, or coconut water. Countertop versions start at $650, and more automatic models range from $2,000 to $4,500, while still being small enough for any corner. A whole coconut costs between 30 cents and 80 cents, and you can sell the grated pulp for $3 to $10 per kilogram, or package it in smaller bags for 50 cents each. Coconut water can sell for $1.50 per cup, and even the shells can be turned into charcoal or crafts. With just one machine and working half a day, you can shred 80 to 150 coconuts daily, earning $1,500 to $4,000 a month. Selling to markets, gyms, beaches, or restaurants makes it even easier. Fresh grated coconut is addictive, and once people try it, they rarely go back to store-bought options. Customers become loyal and keep coming back. Many entrepreneurs started with a single machine and now have multiple machines supplying large clients. Number 7, pencil printing machine. You can make regular pencils, which cost only a few cents, into products people are excited to buy for birthdays, parties, school events, or corporate gifts. The pencil printing machine is small, quiet, and fits on any desk. You can print 20 or 30 pencils at a time, adding names, dates, logos, or funny messages. In less than a minute, each pencil is perfectly printed with long-lasting ink. Basic machines start at $50, and automated versions cost between $500 and $4,000, producing hundreds of pencils per hour. A pencil costs between 3 cents and 8 cents, and you can sell it for around 80 cents each, which gives 70 cents to 77 cents profit per pencil. Printing and selling 300 pencils a day earns $6,300 to $17,000 a month, all from home on your own schedule. Personalized pencils are impulse purchases. People love having their name or a special message on them. Large orders for graduations, weddings, or corporate events can pay for the machine in a single day. Many started this as a hobby and now make a full-time living printing pencils. Number 6, pad printing machine. The printing is perfect if you want to print on almost anything flat or curved, not just paper or plastic. You can customize cups, keychains, lighters, toys, bottle caps, headphone cases, even golf balls. Pad printing works by transferring ink with a soft silicone pad, which lets it reach areas no other printer can, including curves, hollows, or uneven surfaces. 1 or 2 color machines for beginners start at $1,100, while 4 color and more automated printers range from $3,500 to $6,000. They are about the size of a large laser printer and can fit in any small workshop. The numbers are impressive. A blank keychain costs 15 cents to 30 cents, and with your design or logo, you can sell it for $3 to $8. A regular lighter costs 10 cents, and personalized ones sell for $1 to $3. A 25-cent thermal mug can be turned into a corporate gift and sold for $12 to $18. Printing 80 to 120 items a day is easy with corporate orders, souvenirs, or online sales. That can generate $7,000 to $18,000 a month in profit. Once a company sees your personalized products, they often order thousands every month. This business starts slow but can grow fast, especially when clients return for consistent orders. Many workshops started with a single color pad printer and now run rows of machines working nonstop. Number 5, industrial sewing machine. This machine is far more powerful than a regular home machine. It can sew up to 10 times faster, handle thick fabrics like paper, and run 10 to 12 hours a day without any problems. With this machine, you can make backpacks, hats, aprons, school uniforms, curtains, cushions, reusable bags, pet clothes, and many other items people buy every day. Basic high-speed straight-stitch machines start at $650, while specialized machines like overlock, cover stitch, or feed machines cost around $2,800 each. The profits are impressive. A simple backpack costs between $1 and $4 in materials and can sell for $18 to $35. A kitchen apron costs around 50 cents in fabric and sells for $12 to $18. An eco-friendly grocery bag costs 40 cents to 70 cents and sells for $4. Producing 70 to 100 pieces a day can earn $8,000 to $22,000 a month, all from your garage or a small workshop. The best part is that once you build a regular customer base with schools, restaurants, businesses, and local stores, orders become automatic and grow steadily every month. Thousands of families earn comfortably with just 2 or 3 machines working at home. If this caught your attention, stick around, because number 4 transforms simple ingredients into fresh, high-demand gourmet products that people are happy to pay for every day. Number 4, fresh pasta machine. This pasta machine lets you make and sell pasta that is tastier, healthier, and fresher than supermarket options. You can sell each plate for $1 to $8, while the ingredients cost only 60 cents to 90 cents per kilogram. This machine kneads, rolls, and cuts pasta automatically, making spaghetti, fettuccine, lasagna, ravioli, or any shape in seconds. You can start with basic manual or electric models for $50. And when demand grows, upgrade to automatic machines producing 15 to 30 kilograms per hour for $3,500 to $11,000. Numbers are incredible. 1 kilogram of pasta costs less than $1, and you can sell it retail for $6 to $12 or wholesale for $4 to $10 to restaurants and gourmet shops. Producing and selling just 60 kilograms a day can earn $9,000 to $10,000 a month, working from home. Fresh pasta is trending because people want artisan, preservative-free meals made daily. Restaurants buying 15 to 20 kilograms a day can completely transform your business. Many started in their kitchens, selling to neighbors, and now supply supermarkets, restaurants, and even export products. If this sounds profitable, stick around because number 3 turns simple materials into fashionable products that sell year-round with great profit margins. Number 3, sandal making machine. With the sandal making machine, you can turn strips of EVA foam, rubber, or synthetic leather into sandals that people buy all year, especially in warm weather. The machine is compact, weighs about as much as a desk, and works very quickly. You put in the sole and straps, press the lever or button, and in 3 seconds, a complete pair of sandals is ready to sell. Manual arm-operated machines start at $950, while electric hydraulic machines that can cut 3 to 4 pairs at a time cost $3,800 to $6,500. Materials for a pair of sandals cost between $1.20 and $2.50, and you can sell them for $12 to $28, giving a profit of $10 to $26 per pair. Producing 20 to 30 pairs a day earns $6,000 to $17,500 a month, which is easy to reach during peak seasons or by selling through Instagram or WhatsApp. Sandal sales are always in demand and make great impulse buys. Customers see the colors and designs, try them on, and take them home instantly. You can also offer weekly customization with different styles and colors. Thousands of families now make a living year-round with 1 or 2 machines, and in summer, orders can be overwhelming. Number 2, V-printer for rigid objects. This printer leaves people speechless and allows you to charge $15, $30, or even $100 for printing on things that no one could personalize before. It prints directly onto wood, metal, glass, acrylic, ceramic, bottles, Stanley thermoses, cutlery, plaques, phones, and tablets. The ink dries instantly under ultraviolet light and is resistant to water, scratches, and sunlight. Entry-level machines start at $3,800, while larger and faster versions range from $8,000 to $14,000. A blank thermal bottle costs $4 to $6, and a personalized one sells for $25 to $55. A generic Stanley thermos can sell for $80 to $150 when customized. Producing 20 to 30 items a day can earn $15,000 to $45,000 a month from a home workshop or small studio. Corporate gifts, souvenirs, decorations, and event bottles are in high demand, and once customers see your work, they keep coming back and recommending you. Many entrepreneurs recover the cost of the machine in just 30 to 60 days, and after that, every job is pure profit. Number 1, laser cleaning machine. The laser cleaning machine seems straight out of the future. You can charge between $80 and $500 for jobs done in minutes without using chemicals, making noise, or creating a mess. It removes rust, old paint, burnt grease, graffiti, and grime from metal, stone, wood, or concrete just by shining a beam of light. It is so precise that you can clean an antique coin without losing a single detail. Portable briefcase versions start at $6,500, and more powerful models like Chila or Corrido range from $8,000 to $12,000. Cleaning a car tire for 15 to 25 minutes can earn $80 to $150. Removing rust from a fence in 30 to 60 minutes can bring $50 to $200. And restoring industrial machinery or building facades in 1 to 3 hours can earn $600 to $2,000. Doing just 3 small jobs a day or 1 large job can give $12,000 to $45,000 a month, working wherever and whenever you want. This premium service is still rare, so workshops, construction companies, restaurants, hotels, collectors, and government agencies are actively seeking it. Many entrepreneurs start with a single portable machine and now run full teams with million-dollar contracts. This machine literally turns every minute of work into pure cash. From number 12, which lets you start with less than $400 and earn thousands customizing phone cases, to number 1, the futuristic laser cleaning machine that can turn minutes into $80 to $2,000 profits per job. These 12 machines are proof that ordinary people can take control of their income. All of these machines require no degrees, no special experience, and most can be run from your home, small garage, or workshop. It all starts with taking that first step, choosing one machine, learning how it works, and getting started. Thousands of people are now traveling, supporting their families, and earning $3,000 to over $10,000 a month thanks to these simple opportunities. So tell me in the comments which machine excites you the most, which one you would start with tomorrow, or which one would be perfect for someone you know. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications because more real ways to make money from home, top lists, and success ideas are coming soon. Share it with someone who may need it.